name is Lalo, and welcome to Learning About Mammals, a casual discussion where I talk about mammals and how important they are and what can you do to save them. Good afternoon, Kansas. How are you guys doing today? Especially you farmers. It's October, pumpkins everywhere. Am I right? Well, let me tell you a little bit about something about your pumpkins. You may not know this, but actually the pesticides that you use on your pumpkins, did you know that that's actually hurting marine mammals? Now, I know you may be thinking, I'm a farmer in Kansas. What the heck do I got to do about marine mammals? Well, you see, this is what I'm here to talk to you about. Marine mammals are defined as mammals that require the ocean for most, if not all, of their needs. Some marine mammals include seals, dolphins, porpoises, dugongs. No, not that dugong.
Yes, that dugong.
And whales. I'm a farmer in Kansas. Why do I need to worry about marine mammals? Well, did you know that the pesticides you use do run off into a river called the Arkansas River, which connects to the Mississippi River, which connects to what? The Gulf of Mexico. And in the Gulf of Mexico, there's over 29 species of marine mammals. Many of the species found in the Gulf of Mexico include the bottlenose dolphin, humpback whales, minke whales, sperm whales, and also the West Indian manatee, many of which these animals are endangered.
Pesticides have a profound effect on aquatic life and water quality. Pesticides are a big business. Over billions of pounds of pesticides are used in the United States at a value of $8 billion per year. When pesticides enter aquatic systems, the environmental costs can be high. Unintentional pesticide-related fish kills occur throughout the United States every year. Some of these have been large, involving thousands of fishes, as well as frogs, turtles, mussels, water birds, and other wildlife. These animals are food to some marine mammals, and if these animals eat these infected fishes or frogs, then they will also be infected as well. Dead zones, or hypotoxic zones, can occur naturally, but scientists are concerned about the areas created or enhanced by human activity. There are many physical, chemical, and biological factors that can combine to create dead zones, but nutrient pollution is the primary cause of these dead zones, which are created by humans. Excess nutrients can run off land or piped as wastewater into rivers and can coast and stimulate an overgrowth of algae, which then sinks and decomposes in the water. The decomposition process consumes oxygen and depletes the supply available to healthy marine life.
The Gulf of Mexico is also home to things called dead zones. There's an area in the Gulf of Mexico the size of New Jersey that is a complete dead zone, which means no animals can live there. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Now that I know that pesticides can cause harm to these animals, how does that still affect me? Why do I care? Why do I care if a seal or two dies? Well, did you know that a lot of these animals are keystone species?
Most of us would agree that sea otters are adorable, right? And they also happen to be a keystone species. Otters chowed on the invertebrates and sea urchins that would devour kelp forests if the populations were not controlled. Now, kelp forests do help the ecosystem and support hundreds of species, from sea stars to sharks. Sea otters also could be helping fight the climate change by restoring aquatic carbon-fighting plants. So, scientific studies show that the cetacean species, which is whales, dolphins, and porpoises, had led to a lot of discoveries and advancement in regulating echolocation, aquatic environments, and marine life biology sciences. Killing off these animals would mean that we might not ever get the chance to see what the rest of the world might hold for us.
So, what are some things that you guys can do to help the marine mammals out here? Well, 1, you can decrease your pesticide usage and herbicide usage to go to a more healthier-based diet for them.
Second thing that you can do is mind your carbon footprint and reduce energy consumption. Practices that farmers have used on their farms might include putting fences around streams, planting cover crops, collecting water runoff, and integrating crop and pasture rotations.
Also, for a third thing that you can do is also notify other farmers. Get other farmers on board to actually cut down on this production of plastic and production of herbicides and pesticides. With your help, you can save so many marine mammals, and this in turn can make this world a better place.